Hey, this is the Top Winning Products channel. Every day we look for new products to sell. This is the best product of the day.
Our next product is the hand control drone. This hand control drone is very popular with kids nowadays, as it's one of the most online search products in the toys niche. It's very safe, long lasting, and it's made of high quality plastic, which is flexible and impact resistant. This remote control toy has a unique UFO shaped design. It's very popular among children, as it's easy to control and suitable for beginners too. It has a built-in powerful engine, and includes a USB cable that facilitates charging. And finally, the TikTok ad has 1.4 million views, and 88,500 likes, 3,204 comments, and 2051 shares. Now the selling price of the hand-controlled drone is just under $40, whereas the product cost is only $20.90. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $19.90. So, sell it now.
Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video, and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.